Explore how to navigate through the Career Pathways section of SkillsMiner Career Match. For the majority of users, this is the most important aspect of SkillsMiner, as it is where you find new job, training and upskilling opportunities. Having signed in, after you have completed your assessment, you will be taken to the welcome screen. Once you have digested the information, you can click on Let's Go. The first section we will look at is the My Occupation section. This shows all the occupations to which you are best matched, based on your skills. In essence, this indicates your transferability, and highlights other jobs you can do. We recommend spending time exploring these options, and this guide will show you how. In this example, the candidate's preferred occupation would be as a childcare worker. By hovering over the skills icon, you can see they have 75% of the skills required to do the job. This is a strong match. You can do the same for the other occupations. Here we have highlighted barista, which the candidate has experience in. As expected, they have all the skills required. Explore each occupation and see how well your skills compare. When you find occupations you have no interest in, or you feel the skills gap is insurmountable, you can remove the occupation using the bin icon. Explore the list to see which occupations seem attractive to you, and see which you have the skills for. Let's look at one of the childcare worker vacancies. To start with, click on the Skills button. This shows you a list of matching and missing skills. Ideally, of course, you want to have as many matching skills as possible. SkillsMiner helps you close this skills gap by looking at the skills you are missing and providing resources. For example, if we select Maintain Relations with Children's Parents, we will show you a range of resources associated with the skill. If you then click on this resource, you can view the associated video. If this helps you understand the knowledge required, or the competency of the skill, you can use the Skills Improvement button to evidence this. Then, click back. Having understood the skills gap of the occupation, we can now explore what the occupation is all about. Click on the Resources button. This will show a range of videos that explain what it is like to be a child care worker. Click on the play button to view any video. As before, if the video has helped improve your skill match, you can click the Skills Improvement button. However, the main objective here, as you are just learning about your suitability to the occupation, is to give you a greater insight as to whether you are suitable. Next, you can look at online courses by clicking on this button. These will show you online courses that are mapped at either a sector level or by specific occupation. They may include specific online courses your organization has provided, or SkillsMiner mapped content, or even a combination of both. You can explore the various courses until you find something you are interested in. Once you have found one, click on View Course. This will take you to a separate page, which will describe the online course in more detail. If it's something you would like to pursue, you can click on Go to Class, or an equivalent. Now, navigate back to SkillsMiner. Now let's look at available training. Click on the Training field. Just like with online courses, you can now see a list of applicable qualifications mapped at either a sector or occupational level. Again, they may include specific training or qualifications your organization has provided, or SkillsMiner mapped content, or even a combination of both. If you find a suitable qualification, you can click on the Inquire button to be directed to the awarding body's website. For certain awarding bodies, most notably NCFE and CASH alumni, we have mapped the learning providers that are closest to you. Having clicked the Inquire button, you will be taken to the website of the awarding body to find out more about the qualification. Now navigate back to SkillsMiner. Click on the Show More element, and then view additional information by clicking Show Centers. This will show the closest centers that are delivering the qualification. Find a suitable training provider and click on the chevron. This will show the contact details of the training provider. If you click on the link, you will be taken to the college or training provider website. Now let's look in more detail at jobs by clicking the link shown. Looking at the job we highlighted last time, click on the Show More button. This will display the full job description. If you are still interested, click on Apply. For skills minor promoted vacancies, you will be notified that you are sharing your details with the employer. If you are happy to continue, click Apply. Sometimes, an employer only wants access to your profile, which acts as an application, and other times, like this, they also want you to apply using a more traditional method. If you are interested in the position, you can initiate the application process by clicking Apply Now. You are notified that the job has been successfully applied for. Proceed to the next step by clicking on Continue. Navigate back to Skills Minor. Finally, we'll focus on using the filters and sort functions. Click on the My Occupations option. From here you can quickly select the occupations you are most interested in. You can order the roles and vacancies by relevance, skills, styles or interests. In most cases, the most beneficial sorters are relevance and skills. You can filter opportunities based on the distance from you, enabling you to see jobs that are closer to you, if that is important to your next career move. You can also view jobs by their job type, or by salary banding, or by when the vacancy was posted. For frequent visitors, this enables you to only see jobs you have not seen before. Finally, you can search by text. This is useful when you know a vacancy title, employer or location contains certain text. These sort and filter features enable you to refine a long list of vacancies into a more manageable list. This guide covers navigating through candidate career pathways on Skills Minor, YouTube, and other platforms. From selecting job filters to accessing training content, learn to efficiently explore opportunities and resources in the employee training domain.